Have you ever had a Sloe Gin Fizz? Keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Now, traditionally, Sloe Gin is made by macerating sloe berries that come from the blackthorn tree into a gin. They macerate, they'll add a bit of sugar and bottle it. Today, however, I'm going to use something a little bit different. It is Sloe Gin, but it's spelled S-L-O-W. It's Australian, however, what they do is they'll use Davidson plums, which is a native plum from Australia. And the reason that it's spelled S-L-O-W is instead of just macerating it for a couple months, they'll macerate it up to 9 months. And apparently in that last 3 months is where all that flavour and all the really good stuff starts happening. It's made in Byron Bay. If you haven't tried this, for my Australian viewers, go out, check it out. For my viewers from around the rest of the world, just use a normal Sloe Gin. One of my favourites is Hayman's, and so is Plymouth. So first up, we're going to use 45 mils of the Sloe Gin, or 1.5 ounces. Next up, 30 mils or 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 15 mils or half an ounce of sugar syrup. This is just water and sugar mixed 1 to 1. Then 15 mils of egg white, or what I'm going to use is Aqua Faba, which is just a vegan alternative. Actually, I'm going to make that about 20 mils. Then I'm going to just dry shake that. It's really important to dry shake a cocktail when you're making a fizz, because you really want to try to get as much of that sort of head on top of the drink as possible. Okay. Add some ice. Give it another shake. We're then going to double strain that into a glass. Now, normally you would use a tall Collins glass. I'm going to make it in just a little short Collins glass that we have here. So this isn't served over ice, just on its own. As you can see, it's a pretty short drink. That's why I'm using it in a smaller glass. And then what we're going to top it off with is, instead of using soda water, I'm going to use some sparkling wine. Just to keep that booze content up. For the garnish, I'm just going to use a little bit of a lemon twist over the top of this drink. However, I'm just going to get the essential oils over the top and discard. There you go. That's a Sloe Gin Fizz. Let's give it a try. It's amazing. Wow. What I love about this cocktail is the mouthfeel. That Aqua Faba, it's just giving a really nice, it's like a velvety sort of foam sitting on top of that drink. The Sloe Gin is coming through, the lemon juice, that sugar syrup was definitely needed just to balance out that lemon juice. That is a really delicious cocktail. It's definitely worth trying. Guys, if you've got any other Sloe Gin cocktails that you know of, comment below, like, subscribe. See you again on Let's Talk Drinks.